Hi there, I'm Danielle. I know that under-sink cabinets can be a mess, but with a little planning, you can turn your under-sink cabinets into a functional space. In this video, I'll be showing you some of my favorite products from Amazon that can help you get the job done. This under-sink mat will protect your cabinets from spills and leaks. These under-sink organizer baskets will help you keep your cleaning supplies organized. These kitchen dish towels are durable and absorbent. These natural sponges are gentle on your dishes and your skin. This Scrub Daddy is a versatile cleaning tool that can be used for anything. These clear bin plastic organizer drawers will help you keep your pantry organized. I use these pantry labels to keep track of what's in. And this trash bag dispenser will make it easy to keep them organized. This mat is a game changer. It can be used as a splatter guard, trivet, hot pad, microwave food cover, and drying mat. It's made of durable silicone that is heat resistant, and it's also non-stick, so it's easy to clean. You can find the Amazon links for all the products in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.